Excel lets us sort data. To do so, we must go to the Data tab and choose the sort command from there. We already have the dates from January to December. Let us now revert the order by selecting the date column and then opting for the reverse sort command. Excel will ask us if we want to continue with the current selection or would we like to expand the selection. Choose Expand the selection so that the data in other columns remain correlated with the date column. We can also sort the data in other columns in either ascending or descending order. Let us try this for physics. Do remember to expand the selection so that data in other columns are coherent. In case you choose to continue with the current selection, it will sort data only for physics and the marks obtained will lose its correlation with the date. This will also affect our total marks obtained and percentage for the month, making the whole data erroneous. Let us therefore undo this. Similarly, we can sort the data for total marks obtained. We may note how the percentage is also sorted accordingly. You may have noted that dates are not in any specific order now, since it corroborates with other data.